Hi everyone, welcome to week 4. I can't believe we're already halfway through this course. Time is flying way too quickly. This week, our readings covered chapters 4 through 7 in our textbook. So I'd like to go ahead and give a little summary of each chapter for you at this point. So chapter 4 covers the exploration of child care programs as centers of individuals who are caring, knowing, and imaginative. In order for us to achieve this, we must have trust, respect, and an openness for these characteristics to flourish. Dialogue is crucial in a caring relationship. This will assist us in developing ways of seeing as well as learning about perspectives of others. And then chapter 5 speaks of the relationship between supervisor and teacher and how this relationship influences others' behaviors or each other's behaviors. We have also reviewed 3 developmental domains, which are cognitive development, professional development, and adult development, which offers cues for facilitating growth of staff members and understanding ourselves. Lastly, in this chapter, we emphasize the importance of reflections as a means of improving supervisory practice. Then rolling into chapter 6, we learn that supervisors undergo a process of growth and development over time, just like children. The more experiences we have, the more growth that we'll encounter. This chapter also states the importance of support of supervisors, which is lacking. I know for me, I get support by surrounding myself with like individuals through organizations, forums, teachings, different teachings of trainings and workshops. Lastly, chapter 7 gives us great examples of caregiver interviews that offer encouragement to supervisors. Staff progress points to the value of education and supervisory support. In parts 3 and 5, I really want you to look at those. In parts 3 and 5, we are given specific strategies that supervisors can utilize to help staff reach their full potential. Then going into our module for this week, let's go ahead and look at our discussion. So this week we're going to look at who are leaders. We're going to answer the question, who are leaders? I would like you to, well, first of all, leaders are individuals who influence others in a way that encourages them to higher or better performance and personal development. So what I'd like you to do this week is name 3 leaders whom you respect and value in your life today. Write their full name, a description of how they touched your life. This assignment, the original thread is actually due midnight on 3/4, and at least 2 other classmates peer posts, I should say, by midnight on 3/6. That is your discussion for the week. Here we go. And don't forget, you want to make sure to turn in your supervisor interview by the 6th. And then we're going to start a new assignment, which is called Supervisor Evaluation and Feedback. This is due on March 20th. And what this is you will create an evaluation and feedback form to use with supervisees or a mentee. This evaluation must include how they observed, reflect, and communicate their findings with the supervisee or the mentee. Students will write a mock evaluation on a fictitious supervisee mentee using this form they created. So you're going to create the form and then you're going to actually fill it out using a pretend person, a fictitious person. And I've given you a couple different links here and some samples. Again, this is not due until 3/20, and we will have class on 3/9, so we can go over this in a little more detail. If you have any questions, send me an email. Have a great week, and I am looking forward to seeing you soon.